Let's see.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Dodge Journey started if the key fob dies. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2018 Dodge Journey in this video, but we'll be the same on a few different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle, as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying key not detected. So what we need to do is start it as we normally would, but we need to use the top of the key fob to press the stop-start button. So press the brake in like normal, come over here, and that's it.
It ain't it, because it ain't working.
And then
You know what, y'all? Why wouldn't my foot be on the brake, dumbass bitches? You know how long I had this fucking car? I know how to fuck to start a car.
just need
Idiot.
to replace the battery in your...
Fucking my foot on the brake, bitch. I had this car for 4 years. I start my car for 4 years. Duh, I know my foot is supposed to be on the brake. Fucking stupid asses. Bunch of fucking idiots. Oh my gosh. This is pissing my pussy all the way off. Maybe it's been away from my car too long. I knew I should have said just put my keys in my car. I need my burger. Can you go get my blue cheeseburger? My car not starting. The same place I've been at. Hello? You know the fuck what? Quit trying to go lie with me, yo.
Okay, hi. So this is a quick video, a how-to. I have a 2014 Dodge Journey, and it was giving me a low battery message for my key fob. And I just removed the battery just to show you that if your key fob dies, you can still start your car and go your way with a dead key fob, but you should replace the battery in your key fob. So let's get into the car. Normally you would press on the brake like it says and press the start keys, the start button, and you get this error, key not detected. Okay, so here's the solution for that. I don't know if you can see, take this end of the key fob, press it up against the start button and push. Voila.
The shit ain't working. This some bullshit. I love you too, honey. I don't even know how to open this shit. Let me see how to open key fob.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Dodge Journey key fob. This key fob is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back, and the emergency key will pull out like that. And we can just set that to the side. Now if we take a look at the bottom where that key just came out of, if we're holding it with the buttons facing down, if we look just below the slot where the key slides in, we see this slot right here. What I'm going to do is put the blade of the screwdriver in there just a little bit, and then I'm going to twist it like this, like I'm opening a lock. So put that in there. And just it'll pop the case apart a little bit, and you can use it to just help you get the rest of the way off, or the rest of the way apart, rather.
I need him to go get my fucking burger. I don't even have no damn flathead screwdriver. Benny, get off my counters, B. Gotta make me some hot dogs. I'm stressing. Hello? Your food over there, Benny. Y'all just letting this cat do whatever I see. Okay. Let's take a look at my contraptions. Okay, so basically, you need a flathead screwdriver, which I don't have. So, move. So I'm gonna use one of these. Come on. Got it. Maybe I should do both. My God, y'all all in my stomach. I don't like y'all in my tea. Can you move on? You need some petting? Okay, bye. Shit. I need a drink. This ain't even got no key in it. This don't even have a battery in it. Somebody stole my battery. Oh, hell no. How you gonna steal my key fob battery? Houseway. Okay, let's go see. Let's go make it happen. It might work now. I doubt it. I fucking doubt it. It's fucking right in the fucking car. Why do one of my key fobs don't have a fucking battery? Is what I'm worried about. I guess that dude at AutoZone who said he was gonna replace my key card, my fob battery for free, actually stole it instead of replacing it. Oh, hell no. You know what?
And onwards. So for step 1, you want the ignition to be off. Now press the start stop button twice without touching the brake pedal to turn on the ignition. You don't want to start the car.
Let me look at my hood. Just a girl. I'm literally just a fucking girl. Oh shit. Okay. Alright. What can we get under here? My car's so goddamn gone dirty. This don't make no damn sense. Maybe if I put something in there. Where did I just put my keys? Where is my keys? Where?